Hey everyone, my name is Kyle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the power to manifest anything in your wildest dreams. I'm super excited to share this video with you guys. But before we get started with this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the notification button and follow me on my Instagram and my social medias. They're linked in the description box down below. And I also just want to say that I'm talking about law of attraction based on my personal experience, and I'm giving you my personal tips and advice that works for me. But everyone goes about law of attraction a different way, and whatever works for you, you're good. But this is just my way. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So today I want to talk about the power of words and how powerful they are in your own mind, and why you have complete control over what goes on in your mind, what you're thinking about, how much you're thinking about something, your choices, your beliefs, your feelings. It's all yours. No one else controls it. There's no one in your mind that says that you have to do this and that. You're the ultimate controller. And how this can help you in terms of conscious manifesting. And the reason why I'm saying conscious manifesting is because you can manifest bad or good or bad things, but conscious manifesting is being aware of those manifestations and being consciously aware of what you want to create. And usually conscious manifesting is done obviously in a more positive way. You don't want to wish people bad things, and so, like I said, you're manifesting all the time, but you're not maybe sometimes consciously aware of those things. And so when you're consciously manifesting, you're able to pick and choose those things that you want so badly. So let's talk about thought process. Being mindful of what's currently going on in your mind is going to be super beneficial to helping you get things you want in life, because I feel a lot of people in life, they go about life on autopilot mode, and then they're wondering why they don't have the things that they want. And so being consciously aware of the thoughts you tell yourself is very powerful to be able to manifest anything you want in life. Because again, you're always thinking, you're always creating, you're always attracting. Even right now, you're attracting things right now. Your whole life, you've been attracting things, and you're probably doing it unknowingly, because again, most people, they are manifesting unconsciously. They're not consciously aware of those things that they're manifesting. But it's all in your control, baby. It's none of it is in your mind, your heart, and your head, but it's with you. It starts with you. You get to decide. You get to pick. You get to decide on what you want to create and how you want to experience life. There is no one telling you otherwise. You can't or cannot do something. I know some people that they try to, and people let them control them, but you're doing that to yourself because you are scared of someone, so that you let them control you, how you should act or think or feel. But they're not physically controlling you. They've kind of manipulated your mind or convinced you otherwise, but you are in control of your life. And so once you're able to get control of your life, everything changes for the better. You get to be the hero in your mind. You get to be the winner. You get to be successful. You get to be the one who succeeds. And you can do pretty much anything. And the words that you choose to identify in your mind are so powerful. They're potent, and they're very powerful. So you need to choose words, or start picking words that have emotions, and emotions that are of higher quality, have a higher standard. And what I mean by that is words that give you warm feeling inside of you and make you feel excited and happy and high vibrational, which means basically, like I said in my other videos, that emotions are on an emotional scale, and the negative emotions are on the lower end, and you can kind of feel when you recall an instance where you felt angry or sad or fearful, you you don't feel good about yourself, and so you have low energy. But when you have high energy, so when you think about a time that's been super happy for you, um, or anything like that, you feel really good inside. You feel warm, and you just want to spread that happiness everywhere in your life. So, picking words that are powerful and words that mean success to you, you can help to kind of start identifying yourself in those higher standards. I also believe that words have a hypnotic effect to them. So, and the words that you use to describe yourself or anything can really shape the perception and the emotions you feel in that particular scenario, that instance. Like if you keep telling yourself that you're not good enough all the time, or you're ugly, or you're this, you're that, you will start to feel that. But if you tell yourself that you are a wonderful person and you are good enough and you are beautiful, you're going to feel that inside. And because it's very important that you understand that the universe reflects back what you're feeling, because our thoughts, feelings, and emotions, they really create your reality. So, but thoughts come from words, right? So words do have a hypnotic effect and a powerful effect on your reality and how you perceive the world. But you can decide to choose words that have a warm energy feeling inside of you and make you really happy. You could decide whether or not a word or feeling is good for you by the impression it gives you. So, example, if I say the word success, how does that make you feel? You have to be consciously aware of that. So do you feel that it's only for other people, or do you really identify it within yourself? If I say success within a loving relationship, how does that make you feel? Ask yourself, how do you identify with that statement? But once you can understand how you feel, and you'll be able to feel it very instantly, because you'll answer that, and that the answer involves a thought and a word, and that words have feeling and energy, and then you're able to feel that inside of you. And once you're able to understand that, you're able to kind of tweak these words to you and start picking words that are more of love, happiness, and joy, and things that you really identify with. And you can begin to, start using this kind of concept by easily omitting negative words. Like maybe you have a hard time with the concept of being loved within a relationship or being respected at your job. So you can at least omit those awful concepts. Like you can hit the pause button and you don't repeat it. And if you find yourself repeating it, be mindful and consciously aware of it. And maybe you want to stop that and choose something higher or freer that makes you feel good. And once you make that commitment towards this new thought process, the world is going to open up. I guarantee it, guys. I guarantee it that it's going to open up for you. And you're going to see the world differently, and you're going to notice a change, I feel like, right away. And you can even start with like baby steps. You can start with just negative words, and then once you start feeling better and start feeling lighter, you're gonna feel more energized. You're gonna feel more hopeful. And the second you start omitting those bad words, second later, you're gonna start feeling good about yourself, and you're gonna start feeling those high vibrational words, and the universe is gonna deliver more of those high vibrational words towards you, and it's gonna come faster. It's gonna come easier, and when you do these little baby steps and the words that you say to yourself and the higher vibrational words that you're telling yourself, it's going to open up your world to manifesting anything you want. And it is such a simple concept, but it's overlooked all the time because I think, like I said in my other video, that people may not believe in law of attraction because they're impatient, they don't tangibly see it, or they're not consciously aware of the words that or the thoughts they tell themselves and the emotions that they feel. They might feel the emotion, but they're not connecting the emotion with the thought because they go in together. They're in tandem. So if you have a thought, there's going to be emotion towards it. So people might feel awful about themselves, but they don't understand that they're telling themselves thoughts that are and convincing themselves otherwise of why they're feeling bad for themselves. But you can easily change the trajectory of your life. I believe it in my whole heart that you can easily change the way your life can go very, very fast. And I remember my mom saying to one of her, she used to own a business, and she had this one lady that worked for her, and she was always in a bad mood. And my mom would say that, like, life can get better really fast. And next week she was, hi mighty, so like happy, and just like, oh, like, you're so right. And so it can start with like this baby step of just the words you tell yourself and changing them and crafting it to words that make you feel better about yourself. And once you feel really better about yourself, you've raised your vibration, and now you're more in alignment with the things you want to manifest, and then the world opens up to you, because like I said, the world and the universe reflects back to you how you're feeling about yourself, and your thoughts and your emotions and the beliefs that you have are reflected back towards you. So tweaking those words and can also kind of change those limited beliefs. And then once you change those beliefs to positive beliefs, now your world's kind of changing now. And then now you're able to do the things that you want in life and be the person who you really prefer, which is what we really want to do. That's the ultimate goal of life, is to be happy, to feel joy, and to do things that we love, and to have fun in life. But yeah, this just wraps up this video. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. Comment down below if this really worked for you, or if you have any law of attraction questions you want me to answer. You can also send it to me on Instagram, DM. I'm on Instagram a lot. And I'll also link that in the description box down below. And I'll see everyone in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful and magical day. Peace out. Bye.